Hello, everyone. Time for another installment from johnesberg.com. Okay, so back to as usual Adobe Photoshop Lightroom 2.0. And let's say you've been working it pretty hard here, building up an image that you like, and you've gone all the way through your development module, adjusting temperature, playing with your curve, split toning, detail, whatever it might be, and you get all the way down to the bottom and you're wondering, what do I do with this camera calibration? Well, it's your lucky day. It just so happens that our friends from Adobe Photoshop have been working on this. And it comes down to people saying, well, when I import my pictures directly from my camera and I render it with my proprietary software for my camera, it always seems to do a better job. Well, Adobe has an answer for that. Okay, so jumping over to Adobe Labs at labs.adobe.com, we have some updates that they apply to all their technology, all their packages, and one of the ones that's significant to us is Camera Profiles and DNG Profile Editor. Clicking on it, it takes us to the page for the Camera Profiles and DNG Profile Editor, and has the documentation, everything that you need to implement this directly on your machine. And it's notoriously actually fairly simple process. Now, if you'd like to see a full video on this from our friends over at NAP, it just so happens that Matt has taken care of us. Jumping over to Adobe Photoshop Lightroom Killer Tips with our friend Matt, as you can see right here. He puts on a video that allows us to learn a little bit more and get an explanation. And I'm going to leave it to Matt to cover this one. So run on over to lightroomkillertips.com, check this out, and I'm sure you'll be installing this software. That is, if you have Lightroom 2 or Camera Raw 4.5. It doesn't work with everything beforehand. And if you're wondering why I like to vary my voice around a bit, well, let's just say I have many years of experience teaching people everything from how to work with a camera to nuclear power plants, believe it or not. And people have a tendency to remember more if you actually vary your voice around. So, excuse me if I do kind of alter my accent here and there. Just something to get used to with me. So, until we speak again, take care.